Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got in from a run, I showered, I applied all of my face creams and face oils, and I'm going to do a pre-poo treatment on my hair. I'm currently, I think, on 5th day hair, and I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair for the day with that treatment in, and basically just my fun summer weekend makeup. Without further ado, let's get into the video. This is what it looks like. 5th, 4th, 6th, whatever day hair is usually a little kooky, a little crazy, a little wild. So basically what I'm going to do first is I'm going to apply a bunch of water because it is not good to brush through your hair when it's dry. So now that my hair is soaking wet, I'm going to be applying my Pre-Poo, my coconut oil that I love very much. Alright, so my hair is totally drenched, totally brushed out. This is a hairstyle that I have been loving ever since I was a kid. I would take really heavy gel, like the huge gel bottles that you can get at like Walmart, and slick it back like a military bun. So basically what the coconut oil is doing is acting as a natural gel. So you also want to make sure that right here at the part, this part of the hair is very flat. I'm now going to be taking this little head bandana and use it as a scrunchie. And then also like to just kind of cup it and shape it into a nice ball. Last but not least, this is something I just discovered and it literally changed my life. Although I don't style my edges because, you know, it's never been a part of my life, it's not a part of the way I grew up. But one thing that I do want to do and that I've always done is try to get these little guys to stay down. So this is called the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. I'll just take a little bit. Like normal gel does not do this. It just doesn't. First, I'm going to be taking this face mist. It is Josh Rosebrook's Skin and Hair Care Hydrating Accelerator Moisturizing Facial Mist. So first I'm going to be applying concealer. This is NARS in shade Ginger, medium 2. Yeah, my last concealer was like porcelain white, which does not go with my skin. Yeah, after about 5 years, I decided maybe I should get one that actually is around my skin tone. So next up, I'm going to be using Tinted Moisturizer with 20 SPF. Laura Mercier. The lightweight formula helps control oil breakthrough and gives a sheer hint of color for healthy, natural glow. That's exactly what I'm aiming for in the summer. I don't want to look cakey. My color is 41W Tawny. Basically, I just like to slap it on. So, it's also very important, obviously, to get your neck. What I like to do is my brows. So I like to use this Chanel black eyeshadow. It's extremely creamy, so it basically works as like a brow pencil. So I'll just take this. It's the end of an eyeliner. I don't like to do this a whole lot, but because it's creamy, if I do mess up, I can just kind of blend it. So now I'm going to be taking this CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast. This was actually brown mascara, but I've used it all up. So now that my brows are heavily done, I mean this is kind of a lot for me, but for the purpose of this video and feeling glamorous, we're gonna do them like this. So this is Maybelline New York City Bronzer. Lightly tap it, kind of brush it on the edge. Close it and then do that. And I really like like to make sure that I get up in here because you just want it to look good. You want it to look nice and blended and just going around my temple. And then one thing I learned is doing the W. Basically, it's, you know, replicating sun. This is Hourglass. This one is called Vanish Gold Flash. So I'm just gonna be applying it like that. Both sides. On my nose. Cupid's bow a little bit here. A little bit there. And blending it. It blends super easy. And then I'll just take the excess and put it everywhere because shine! So this brush I got from Sephora, it's e.l.f. Angled Blush Brush. And the blush I got from CVS. It is L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Blush. This is Clinique Color Surge Eyeshadow Super Shimmer in color 330 Gold Rush. I'm just gonna be taking my finger and I'm just gonna be taking the same color and applying just a little bit to the bottom of my eye. So this is the Nude Medium Huda Beauty eye palette. My best friend Brittany actually sent this to me for my birthday. She sent me a bunch of stuff from Sephora and I love her so much. Can you see me? Can you see me? For now, I'm gonna be using this darker maroonish warm color. And don't worry about it being smudgy because I'm gonna smudge it out. Now for my favorite color. So I think I'm gonna be mixing between these two. And I'm just gonna be doing it on the edges of my eye. This is the Gucci blending brush in 20. And once again, I'll be taking this again and using this Lancome palette, and I'll be using this deep, beautiful purple. And for this, I'm gonna be giving like a tiny little cat eye. What I like to do is actually go in on the inside of my eyelid. So this is Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen in number 1 black. I'm just gonna be going over the cat eye shape that I already created. So now I'm going to be going in with a little bit of a heavier and darker eyeliner. So this is the NYX or NYX Professional Makeup That's the Point. And because it's a little finer point, I can really go in on all the details. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Nude palette again. And this time I'm actually going to be taking this shimmery purple color. I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay Beauty with an Edge Evidence eyeshadow. It's this rich, deep, dark blue. And I'm actually just going to go in my waterline and a little bit on the outside. I'm going to be going back to this Lancome palette, and I'm actually going to be taking this more deep turquoise color. I think this is such a fun look to do when I'm tan. So back to the Huda palette. I'm going to be just lightly tapping this gold, and I'm just going to put it right in the center of my eyelid. Infamous La Mercier translucent powder. And dab it in here, shake it up a little bit. And kind of just brushing it into the spots that are a little too oily for my liking. So I'm gonna go back and apply just a little bit more concealer. You know, I've always wanted to do a makeup video. I remember in high school, I started filming one. I just couldn't do it for the life of me. I mean, I tried, but I was just like so nervous. I didn't know what to say. This is Dolce & Gabbana, okay. Is there no name? There's no name, what? As you can see how much I've used it. And I'll just like take a corner and just push into my skin and kind of brush down. I know this is probably a lot of steps. Bear with me, guys. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. So this is what I'll be using on the inner corners of my eye. It's Clinique. This is 103 Buttered Bronze. So I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay eyeshadow again. For mascara, I'm gonna be using Maybelline The Falsies Push-Up Drama. Oh yeah, girl. Oh yeah. So one of my favorite tips is making sure to really get mascara on the last outer part of your lashes. Alrighty, so my mascara has set. I've cleaned it up a little bit, and I even went in with a little bit of the blue again. I'm almost done, I promise. So this is actually from Victoria's Secret. I got this in high school. It's called Beauty Rush Wet Dry Shadow. The color is Jade Akissed. Victoria's Secret really does have good makeup. I've always loved all of their beauty products. I mean, it literally just reminds me of mermaids. Like, I just feel like I could be a mermaid. And because I don't have the biggest lips in the world, I don't like to draw too much attention to them. So I like to use like a lip pencil lip liner that's close to my natural lip color. Maybelline New York Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Pink Coral or 140. I'll just take my fingers, just kind of smear it. And I actually got talked into buying this back when Barney's was still open. Honestly, this doesn't have a name on it, but yeah, it's like a very beigey, kind of like matte lip gloss. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope that you like this video. If you want me to make more videos like this, please let me know in the comments. Makeup has been a huge passion and love of mine. Like, I remember back when I was living in Paris, I did a really big, dark, heavy black eyeliner, and some person told me, you know, we don't wear makeup like that over here. And I'm like, I know, I can tell. So if you liked it, please give this a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, because I'm going to be posting more beauty, more hair, more fashion, and then life in New York eventually when coronavirus starts to go down and things start to open up again. So yeah, have yourself an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!